Colton Shaberg with Nissan of Fort Smith here with our 2023 SL four-wheel drive Pathfinder. This thing is in the beautiful Boulder Gray, a new color that Nissan just recently came out with and has been very popular on the market. The Nissan Pathfinders have been completely redesigned. We took our old CVT transmission and replaced it with this brand new 9-speed transmission that is in this vehicle here. You get the V6 with 285 horsepower in this baby, and you still get great gas mileage. Over here on the side, you're going to notice that on our mirrors, you have the eagle eye camera view. So whenever you are in reverse, you have a full 360 view around your car and a backup camera. On the front there, we had the forward collision camera because Nissans are activated with all of our safety features. Back here in the back, you do get a power lift gate, which does have the kick feature. When you kick your foot down there at the bottom with your keys in your pocket, it does lift the gate up. The Pathfinder is equipped with our intelligent remote start, meaning when you start it during the cold, it will heat the cabin up, and when you start it during the hot, it will cool your cabin down. We can move inside, and I can show you some features on here. So the 2023 Pathfinders have our 8-inch screen up here. It is fully touchscreen. You do get navigation. They also are equipped with heated seats. You get 3 settings, high, medium, and low. You do have a heated steering wheel as well. Down here in this little area, you do have a wireless phone charger. There is a little indicator that'll light up orange whenever your phone is charging. If it is not lit up, that means your phone's not charging. Down here, because this is the intelligent four-wheel drive, you do have several different driving modes, some for off-road, some for ice, and some for the desert area. And then if you need to race somebody, you got a little racing flag there for the sport mode. Up here in the steering wheel, one of Nissan's coolest features that is offered in our Pathfinder is the Pro Pilot Assist. Now in Teslas, they have the Autopilot. Nissan's is called Pro Pilot. While you do have to have your hands on the steering wheel, this feature will take all of our safety features and combine them into one mode, which will basically drive for you on highway and interstate situations. And that works from 0 miles an hour all the way up until 90 miles an hour.